So welcome back aliens, I'm Navin Reddy from Telescope Learnings, and in this video we'll talk about what is that one thing which comes between you and your success, and the answer is distraction. So we are so easily distracted by the things around you. Example, when you're watching this video, there might be some sound coming from your backside and you are getting distracted. You are watching this video and maybe you will get a message. The message will pop up on your mobile phone and you will get distracted, right? So whenever you want to achieve success, you do lots of work for that, right? Maybe you are learning something, you are working on the project, you are working on the assignments, and you are doing something very important, which is very important, which is very necessary for your success. But then what happens? If you are working on something and you get a call, what you do? You pick up the call, right? If you get a message, what you will do? You will reply to message. If you get an email, what you do? You reply to the email. Now what's wrong with that? The thing is, when you are working on something, it takes some time to reach to that level, that continuity with your project. So let's say so just now if you have started the project, you will start the project and suddenly, time by time, your focus will be increased. You will reach that focus on the project and it is going on. Suddenly when you get a call, what happens? That focus comes down because you are distracted now. And again, you have to go back on the same level. It will take some time. And trust me, you're wasting lots of time with that. And what about Facebook? If you get a message on Facebook, you will go to Facebook and you will not just reply to that message. You will also see other people post because that is very addictive, right? Because why Facebook is so famous is because it doesn't matter what is happening in your life. What matters is what is happening in other people's life. And we humans are like that, right? We want to know what is happening in other people's life, right? So don't get distracted. Try to avoid the distraction. Now question arises, how will you avoid it? It's very easy. Just keep your phone aside, okay? Keep your phone somewhere that you will not get any message, any call. And even if you are getting those calls or messages, you will not see that. But then you will feel that your loved ones, they will feel bad about this because you are not picking up their phone. What if you can just inform them, if you're working on something very important, you are learning something very important for next 2 hours, don't disturb. And they will understand, trust me, if they love you, they will understand about this. But then let's say if you're working for 8 hours, now you cannot keep your phone aside for 8 hours, right? Why don't you take a break? After every 2 hours, take a break and then you can call anyone. If you can call anyone, you can check your Facebook messages, right? Or the best one is, let's think about this. Keep your mobile phone just next to you and don't get distracted. Is it possible? And the answer is yes. The thing is, let's say, I don't know how many of you watch cricket, but let's say if you're watching a cricket and that's a World Cup, a final match, okay, maybe a football match or cricket match or any other tournament, maybe a kabaddi match. If you're watching that and that's a finale and your favorite team is almost on the winning edge, right? Or maybe they are playing that game, and then if you get a call, what you will do? Will you pick up the call or will you watch the entire match? Of course, right? You will watch the entire match because that is very important. So that means your focus is fully towards that thing, not to your phone. But while you're working, your focus is divided into 2 parts, your phone and that work. So what if you can just increase your focus? Because if you want to achieve something, you have to increase your focus, right? Have that thing in your mind that I want to do this. Example, let's say if you want to learn Hadoop, just make your mind that you want to learn Hadoop and everywhere just apply that poster. I am a Hadoop developer. I am a Hadoop developer. Even if you're not a Hadoop developer, just make a note and stick it somewhere that I'm a Hadoop developer. It will make your it will stick to your mind in such a way that if you are getting distracted, if you're getting a call and just see that sticker there, you will not pick up that phone. Okay, so stay focused. That's how you can achieve something in your life, because success is not easy. It needs lots of effort to get there. So that's it. All the best for your future, and thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe.